Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my makeup non-negotiable. So these are basically products that I cannot go without. These are products that I include in my makeup routine every single day. You guys see it all the time on my Instagram, on my reels, on my shorts, everywhere. So this is basically like my favorites, but these are like non-negotiable products that I literally have to add again in every single look because it makes me feel comfortable, it makes me feel confident, and like my makeup is gonna last and look amazing throughout the day. So if you want to see what those products are, just keep on watching. First product, you guys know I literally use all the time. I use it every single get ready with me video, my little Instagram and whatever situation. Those are daily little makeup videos, so I'm literally using this for work every single time that I do my makeup because I just love it, and it's just like something that I know I'm gonna feel confident with my brows. I don't have it on today and I'm feeling a little, you know, just a little unconfident vibes. I just love how this leaves my brows looking. It's amazing. This is their Brows on Demand 2-in-1 brow pencil in the shade Chocolate. I love that it comes with a micro brow side. Amazing. And it also does come with a little like marker side as well. So really love this. You guys have seen it in action many times before. I recently filmed a full face of SHEGLAM. If it's up already, I'll have it down below so you guys can catch up on that. But this is amazing. Literally use it all the time. Cannot not speak about this product. I use it alongside that brow pencil. This is just set my brows down. I know they're not gonna move. The BeBella Browmination Clear Brow Gel. So this is literally gonna glue your brows down. They're not gonna move. Don't over apply it or your brows are gonna be like stiff vibes. But this is also an amazing product and I'm so glad that I purchased it. And I did go in to Beauty Creations in person and picked up a few products that time, and then I thought like, girl, let's try it out. BeBella is basically their sister brand is what I'm guessing because they carry it in their stores. But girl, I'm so happy that I did because this is amazing. Definitely recommend if you want something that you can trust that's going to keep your brows looking good all day. Definitely recommend this. I'm not going to talk about this too much because I've spoken about these mascaras so much on my channel. You guys see it all the time, but literally I interchange between the two. These are the SHEGLAM, I think they're called like their 2-in-1 mascara. It comes with a lengthening side and a volumizing side. We have the waterproof and the non-waterproof. Literally talk about these all the time. I try to not go in with it every single day because I want to try different stuff, but this is basically what I want to reach for all the time. If I am going somewhere where it's going to be hot, I don't want my mascara to smudge or anything, I go in with the waterproof. So these have just been my go-to mascaras, and this is basically what I reach for all the time. Love them. Let me show you guys the actual little brushes. So on one side we get the volumizing side, which is just an hourglass shaped one, and then we get the lengthening side. So that's basically what it looks like. Each side of the little mascara I believe comes with the same product. It's just a different method of applying. If you're on the market for mascara, definitely recommend. These are amazing. You're not going to regret it. Super inexpensive on SHEGLAM. Literally, I have so many SHEGLAM products going on in here. I have done other favorites videos for them before. I've done a full face. I just filmed that recently, so yeah, love SHEGLAM. Since we're talking about SHEGLAM, we also have their bronzer. This is called their Sunside Bronzer. Love. I also love their highlight in the same line. This is called their Sunside Bronzer in the shade Sunset Walk. Love the packaging. Literally use this all the time. And there's a look at that. Really love this color for my skin tone. And again, I just filmed that full face, so definitely go check that out so you can see these products in action. There's a look at that color. Amazing, and it blends out beautifully as well. Again, love the packaging. It's very like futuristic vibes. Love everything about this bronzer. So good. The price is amazing as well, so you don't have to break the bank for a bronzer. Amazing and so good. So we do have quite a few powders to talk about, but before that, let's talk about the base products. We have the e.l.f. Camo CC cream, yet another product you guys are probably not surprised to see in this video. This is a CC cream, but you know, for me it's a foundation. It's basically medium to full coverage vibes. Amazing. And this one here is in the shade medium 330W. Literally use this all the time. I think I repurchased maybe like 5 times already. Love this, and I will keep repurchasing. I just love how it leaves my face. It just looks perfected and almost like it's just like, you know, if you have a favorite product, like once you throw it on, it's just like, yes, it just looks good, you feel good, you know it's gonna look good throughout the day. That's basically what this does for me. Really love this. And again, the shade itself is a little more on the yellow side, but it's just like my comfort color. I don't want to like change it and then be disappointed. So that's just the shade that I go for, but I really love it, and you guys have seen this in action. Again, cannot put this down. Love that it comes with a pump. So convenient. Love everything about this product as well. I just know it's gonna last. It's gonna look amazing. So yeah, to go along with that, you guys know the elf camo 16-hour camo concealer in the matte finish. I use this all the time as well, alongside that CC cream. I use mine in the shade medium beige, and I just love this product. It's just full coverage. I want my under eyes to be blanked, okay, blanked out, looking good, makes me look awake, all that. And I love that it comes with a giant doe foot applicator. It's just really quick and easy to apply, blends out beautifully. It just looks, again, perfected, and it goes amazing with that CC cream. So this is what I love using when it comes to concealer, and I cannot put this down. Literally have to stop myself from reaching for this concealer. Now let's get into the powders. First off, we have the one from Temu. This is the NSNS powder. I was sad because I did have it in my cart. I was gonna repurchase, and then it said discontinued, and my little heart broke because this is amazing and love this. Now they did add it again, and I repurchased as soon as possible, so it's on the way to me now. I used mine in the shade 2, and girl, I literally hit pan on it. I have a little bit of powder left. I love this, especially if I want something to keep me matte in my T-zone area throughout the day. This is what I throw on. I love how it looks on my under eyes as well. Perfect. Love this powder. Definitely recommend. Super inexpensive. All right, so I did go ahead and add these into the same kind of category. So this is the SHEGLAM Velvet Veil Oil Control Powder. This is basically, if I'm not using my NS powder, I use this one on the under eyes, and again, I hit pan. That's how you know. Love my pressed powders. Love them for the under eyes. So that's basically what I use. This one here is in the shade Warm Sand. Comes with a little poof. Love this little product, and I always use it alongside their powder foundation. This is called their Skin Focus High Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade Honey. Love this as well. Adds coverage without making me look super cakey. It just perfects the skin even further, so I really love using these two together. Next, this is not a surprise to anybody, but the EBIN NY lip liner in the shade Brown. You guys know, girl, I literally purchased like 6 of these recently. I went in store, had to pick them up because they were sold out on the website. I don't know who's buying them, but these are so good, and I literally love this color. Auto liner is just like you can use it on your eyes and your lips, so whatever you're feeling, love this color to line the lips. It's just amazing. So yeah, so I'm sure you're not surprised that this is in here. Literally use it all the time. Lastly, a new favorite to me is the Revolution Sport FX. Why do I always say FX? Sports Fix Lasting Fixing Hold Spray, and this is basically something that's going to keep your makeup on throughout the day. This is basically like if you're working out, this is what you want to spray on your face if you have makeup going and you don't want it to move. Yeah, amazing. I use it for work, and it's just good. It's like a foolproof setting spray. I definitely have to train myself to not use it as often, so when I do have those special occasions, I can use it for that. But it's just such a good setting spray, and as you guys know, Revolution did send them my way, so I'm so happy that I got to try this, and now I know it's a top favorite, top tier setting spray, and I could definitely do a wear test on this. I did do a wear test on their other setting spray, their Conceal Perfect one. I do have the wear test on my TikTok, so if you want to watch that, definitely go over there. But yeah, I can definitely do one for this setting spray as well. Love it. So that was the last product. Do you have any non-negotiables? Let me know in the comments down below. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.